Hello there guys, welcome back to a short online tutorial. Today we're based in Adobe Photoshop and it's your good friend Jack from Blue Sky Graphics back again to show you some really cool stuff. What I would like to do today guys is show you how to create this photocopy effect within Adobe Photoshop. A really cool effect that you can apply to imagery and use it across many forms of graphic design. And to be honest, it's one of the easiest effects that you could probably do inside of Photoshop. Okay, cool. So what I'm now going to do is open up our layers window, and I'm just going to select this top layer here and just press backspace to remove it and start off with our original image. Now, as you can see underneath that particular image, I already have a texture that I have downloaded from Unsplash. Okay, so that will be there. That'll be applied later, but just having that prepared will be a good thing for us. Okay, so with that layer highlighted of the image of the person. Make sure the image is a smart object. If you right click on it, you have the option here of converting it to a smart object. When we go to filter, I would like to now go to filter gallery. Okay. Now we have the two textures already applied here. I'm just going to go through each one of them now with yourself. So the first one would be grain. So you need to come to texture and apply a grain. Keep the intensity around sort of like the 30 to 40 mark, and also with the same with the contrast here. Let's bring that down a little bit like so. And then what I would like to do is apply another filter on top. So come to your little plus sign down here, and that will be stamp. So I'm going to come here and go to stamp. Now what you can do is manipulate the light and dark balance. As you see, if I lower that now, really starts bringing through that image a little bit better. If you go up, it's a little bit more muddy, let's say, but bring it down here, much more of a nicer look to the image. Maybe mess around with the smoothness as well a little bit. Okay, I'm happy. So now I'm going to press OK. Wonderful. What I need to do now is apply a gradient map adjustment layer. So it's going to come to our adjustment layers here. I'm going to apply a gradient map. I'm going to go for sort of real sort of like dark gradients. So I'm going to keep the black there. Just click on this color stop here. Double click here. And let's go for sort of like a reddy kind of color there. Okay. All right, and then we're going to bring that texture layer to the front. Sorry, to the top of the stack. 1 second. Like so. And then what we're going to do is apply a blending mode to that top layer of color dodge. Just going to bring down the opacity on that just a tad, like so, and maybe a little bit on the gradient map there as well. Like so. And there you have it, guys. That's how you create that photocopy effect within Adobe Photoshop. If you're interested in finding out more about the school, the courses that we offer, please take a look at our website at blueskygraphics.co.uk. Also as well, guys, there are recordings that are coming out on a weekly basis, so please make sure you take a look. Thank you very much, guys. Take care, and see you next time.